Good morning, friends. How are you? How's your stay at home? This is the best holidays if you can think differently. This time will not come back again, and you will always miss this lockdown period. I just want to give you some tips so that you can remain healthy without any fear and without any problem. So, following things you must do it. Bring the confidence in you and exhale the fear. Fear is the deadliest weapon which is killing us. There is nothing to fear because it is just a virus like any other virus. So it will come and pass by if your immunity system is good. Forget about vaccine, forget about everything. Nothing is required. Indian system of Ayurveda and old medicines are enough to take care of this. So early in the morning, get up around 4:30, clear your stomach. First take 2 cups of hot water with lemon and honey. You must do it because vitamin C is very important. Number 2, in a day takes 4 times herbal tea. Black tea or the green tea, you can make it and add turmeric, ginger, basil, black pepper and black resin if possible. This tea taken 4 times a day will ensure that your immunity is very high and this disease cannot come near you. Apart from that, make sure you gargle 2 times a day using turmeric and rock salt, and you do steam inhalation at least 1 or 2 times a day, minimum 1 time a day. You can put mint or Vicks and do the inhalation. Steaming is very, very, very useful apart from this herbal tea. There are also 2 Indian homeopathic medicines which we are offering and giving to everyone, and not a single person out of over 10 million people have got this coronavirus. It is called arsenic album 30, which you have to take 4 pills 2 times a day for 7 days in a month, and camphor 1 mg. This medicine also we are exporting to over 10 countries, and this homeopathic medicine has no side effect. You can take 4 pills morning and evening or 3 times a day for prevention, and every 2 hours if you get this coronavirus. Very important to stop this virus even if it comes to you in your nose or in your throat. Gargle will help to kill the virus when it is in the throat, and putting 2 drops of oil in your nose will ensure that fat can dissolve fat and it will pass by. So keep your system clean. In the evening, take 1 cup of milk with our turmeric and little honey or brown sugar. This will ensure that this disease will not come to you. My friend, silver is also playing a very important role, and all our Indian people used to eat, drink in silver vessels. Please keep the water in a silver jug or a silver glass and drink that water after 4 to 5 hours. You can add turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper in your food also. This is very healthy. Turmeric has been responsible for curing many cancer patients. This is just enough. Beside wearing a mask whenever you are close to anybody, and most important thing I forgot to tell you, vitamin D comes from sun. So expose yourself on the rising sun or setting sun 20 minutes a day. This is the biggest and best boosting of your immune system. Do not sit inside. Be in the sun some way or the other. Make sure you see the sun and breathe the natural air. Second important thing is the meditation, which you must do by observing your breath 30 minutes a day. Keep a very smooth breath. Inhale and exhale and observe it for 30 to 40 minutes with closed eyes. Do not think, you do not just have to observe your breath. And second is the yoga, which is helping us in India in a big way, which will keep yourself fit. You can do also many exercises in front of the tea and ensure that physically you are active. 2 hours a day will ensure that when you come out of this lockdown, you will be very healthy and mentally very balanced. Have a great day. Love you all.